Yes, good day traders, right? So this is what I want to position myself today. I want to position myself today on the following setups that I want to review, right? I've been watching them. I anticipated price to get them from Monday, right? And I did a video about that. I wanted to see price to come to where it is, right? This level, and I want to see now price continue with this upward movement, right? Generally we are in a bearish market, but this upward movement that we are seeing is a pullback, right? It's just a retracement to facilitate the overall downtrend, right? So I want to start from the Dxy, then this will come to make sense, right? So this is what I have on my Dxy. Before I came to 4 hour, I already looked at my weekly time frame and the daily time frame, right? And I saw what price was trying to do, right? We are in a bullish market. Generally, we are in bullish market, right? That's the overall direction of the market. But at the moment, as you can see, we are doing the pullback, right? It's just a retracement up to this level. Then we will continue that movement up to take this buy side liquidity and create that break of structure to the upside, targeting the weekly liquidity and the fair value gaps located above. So for us to continue this movement up, I want to see price come to this demand zone, right? And then we can continue to the upside. If we put our Fibonacci tool, right? If you want to buy, you tend to buy from discount and sell from premium, right? And if you put this Fibonacci like this, you can see that price at the moment is at a premium, and it's unwise for us to start selling from premium, right? Not to sell, but it's unwise for us to start buying from premium. You want to see price come to discount to this level down in there, and then we can start buying that continuation move, right? So at the moment, the narrative of the story, not the narrative, but the narrative of the market is that we are doing a pullback or a retracement, and everything what we want to do, we want to position ourselves in that direction. So what did I see? I saw this break of structure, internal break of structure. We have internal structures and external structures. Alright, the external, these are the outside structures. I had this internal break of structure reiterated from this supply zone previously, and I created this another break of structure to the downside. So what did I do? I marked my supply zone. I already marked this as my inducement. I saw this movement and I saw how price closed below this level, and I saw that this can be a possible inducement to induce people and start taking sales, thinking that the movement is done, this smoke retracement is done, and then when they start taking their orders, their sell orders, that's them generating liquidity, right? We say that inducement is what brings liquidity, right? They induce you to place your orders, and that activity of you placing the orders, that's you generating the liquidity that they want. They want you to place the order that you are placing. That's their general aim, right? So I saw this as inducement, and I wanted to see price take it out and tap my supply zone as it has done. And now from this level, today is on Wednesday, I said yesterday that I want to see price give me the high of the week on Tuesday or Wednesday London session, right? So price tapped to this my supply zone, that's on Tuesday New York, Tuesday evening. So I just knew that now price has given us the high of the week. I want to see price expanding down to this previous week low or this sell side liquidity and close below it, and that will have given us another bearish break of structure, right? targeting this level, right? So for the rest of the week, I want to see price expand or continue with this general pullback or retracement, right? If you can watch at this level, you can see that I wanted to take some buys, right, from this order block, right, yesterday on Tuesday, but price did not tap me in. It just left me and I went up to my target. So on Euro USD, this what is also available. Yes, you can see it, right? You can see that we are typically in a downtrend, right? Breakout structure, price active from this supply zone, another breakout structure. Let me mark it so for simplicity, this is another breakout structure, alright, to the downside, and we wanna see price trade up to this, at least up to this level, right? Yeah, up to that level, and now we can start selling to take out this low, right? Yes, this sell side liquidity and close below, and then we can say we have had a breakout structure. That's not a breakout structure yet, but it's a possible breakout structure, yes. So we want to see price up to this level, and then we can start continuing the downward movement close below, as we saw on DXY. Just the same thing, just replicate the same thing, but now we do it on the opposite direction. So for today or for the rest of the week, this is what I want to see. I saw breakout structure previously, price reacted from this level, created another breakout structure. Price is coming to this demand zone that resulted to this breakout structure. Now at this point, this is where I want to see my confirmation. If price will tap there, but it may not really tap this demand zone, and that's because we have something significant on 1 hour, alright? On 1 hour, we can see that this demand zone was mitigated and created another one which was also mitigated. So this is the last demand zone right there. Let me define it. This is the last demand zone that you wanna see price react from this level. That level, you can see that price has tapped it. So we wanna see price continue to the upside and close above here and give us that breakout structure to continue this general pullback or retracement up to our supply zone, and then we can start selling that continuation move. Alright, price always moves in waves. It doesn't move in a straight line. It moves from a state of balance to imbalance, and then balance and to imbalance again. Right, so at the moment price is just doing some pullback up to this balance level, and then we can create that imbalance to the downside. And on GU, just the same thing. That's GBP USD. It's also the same thing. You can see that price create a breakout structure. It's now at the demand zone, at a buying point. You can see on the some rejection. This candle closed with some rejection. You can see telling us that we have some pressure. Some buyers are stepping into market to push price higher. Alright, so you wanna see price push up to that level and close above that point. Now you can see we have that breakout structure continuing that retracement or pullback. Right, so that's what I'm watching for today. Actually for the rest of the week. So if I get a setup, I may decide to swing it or take intraday, but my bias for the rest of the week is now buying Euro USD and GBP USD. This is the trade I missed yesterday on Euro USD, the one that I saw you, not I saw you, but I showed you on Dxy, right? This one right there. I want a price to tap to this order block. Alright, I want price to tap to that order block, but price reacted from this fair value gap, right? And that's the problem when you focus yourself and you just normalize yourself taking your trades from another block or a supply zone. Sometimes you may miss it, and that's okay, right? So a fair value gap trader just about this move, but for me, another block or a supply zone trader, I missed it, right? You can see it even on the 1 hour price selected from the fair value gap, right? Typically, technically, I'm supposed to mark my fair value gap and another block and watch price as this approaches it. Any area of interest that gives me a confirmation, I should be able to take it. But with time, I just saw that was exhausting, so I just put all my focus on my supply zone or my order block, and I just want to see price tap it, and then I can take that move. So price also selected from this 1 hour fair value gap, and it crashed to the downside. Alright, I was watching it, and that's how I missed it. But I didn't panic. I just let it go and let it be. Alright, so that's the trade I missed. But for now, I'm no longer looking for sales. I'm looking for buys. Alright, so that's it. Let me watch and wait on how this market will play out for the rest of the day. Right, just follow your rules. Alright, stay disciplined, take your trade and walk away. Alright, so that's it, and always remember you are just one trade away.